1250E shift solenoid change. I'm gonna take this out, bring in the Tahoe, take the transmission pan off, take the solenoids off. I'm gonna show y'all all do that. How I can do it. Let me move this car for you. Eric just traded his crew cab for it. LS swap 5.3. Nice truck. Tires going out on us, so we got getting everything all together. Eric, how you feel? Just got a new truck, 5.3 LS swap, single cab. He said tell Carl to take his time. How you feel, Eric?
Man, it's a project, bro.
Yeah, they got the old motor in the back.
Dump that bitch on South Main. Y'all gonna see us on Rockford Scanner with that bitch. They're gonna be like motor on the middle of the street, South Main.
Oh man, it's not looking good.
Yeah, it is, bro. The way it's tweaking, anything you gotta put it to the side, man.
Hey, no cussing, bro. We gonna have to bleep all that out.
Beat that bitch on there, bro. No, it's not gonna beat that.
It's not gonna fit. All right, guys. So it looks like we're gonna have to drive back with this tire. Holy yeah. Yeah, we got Toro's truck. This thing's a beast. Squatting, looking nice. Look at that clearance. Yeah. There you go. And that's the rig. That's Toro's rig. Yes, sir. Okay. So what do we figure out, boys? Not gonna fit, huh? Yep. Yeah, all right, guys. We're gonna figure something out, and I'll pick you guys up on the way back.
We're gonna throw the old tire back on. Fuck it.
All right, guys. It looks like we're putting the old tire back on.
You gotta make it home with this shit.
Just pray for us. If anybody wants to cash app us so we can get a tire, let us know. Cause damn. It's not looking good. All right, I'll pick you guys up soon. What is your YouTube channel, man? We got videos though. LS swap 5.7. What year is it? I don't even know. It's in 96. 96.
No, I gotta be older, bro.
Man, this motherfucker had a 4.3 in this motherfucker.
It's a 98.
98?
God damn.
We're gonna be scared. Hey, your two-door Masters though. All white.
I'm finna get that.
All white 5.3. Y'all seen this 5.7, man. Let me show y'all. Let me remind y'all. Boy, I gotta change that fender now. You gotta change that fender. Alright, now we finna hook this standalone harness up, man. Come on, get in there. We gotta get power to this fuse box. He probably already hooked up the thing. Probably already hooked up the fuse pump. They got colors in it for you can match them too. You see it? Yeah. Blue and then the red. It should have a boat on there. You don't got no boat?
What the fuck?
What?
There's some bitches.
Yeah, no boat. You sit in this joint. See, what I feel like in a single cab. Hey, let's move be a single cab. Man, comment. Single cab, I put the 6 photo. That ain't low, boy. Stop playing. And then bitch in the boy, them on 10. I should do a single cab, huh? But I don't like sitting up all this high, bro.
I'm gonna put my two-door seat in.
I don't like sitting this high. I like, try to get low, get back, shorty. Oh yeah, I definitely can't drive this. Oh, you know neutral, boy. How you know you in neutral? the key to it? And we in a single cab LF swap John, man. We coming strong, though, Eddie. We coming strong, boy. Hey, tell it. It ain't LF underscore trade for a reason, man. Y'all follow, like, subscribe, man. I'm telling y'all, man. Hey, Eric, bro, we gotta get this motor out, bro. We gotta lower this. This gotta be lowered. It's two-wheel drive, isn't it? This gotta be lowered, folks. Hey, ain't no cap, folks. This gotta be to the ground, G. Or put bags on it and put the... Bro, plain put bags on it. Drop it, put bags on it so if you can lift up. That's why you put bags. That's why you put bags. You gotta look good too, bro. You gotta look good too, bro. It look like it had no rust on this motherfucker. Well, let me see. New door is easy. You know, but hold on. It's this. Eddie loves his Chevy, folks. Look, man, what y'all need? We got 6 souls out here. This for sale, isn't it, Eddie? How much? LQ4. Man, you can come with $900. Yeah, $900 get the motor. You come with 1,200 get the whole you did. No. We need 1,350. It's a 480. 480. We got parts. We got seats. It's gone. Shit, y'all better come grab that motor then, boy. I could have had that shit. 25. Yep, when you use it off of this battery, you use it off this computer. Why not? You do? Right there. Cold as hell out here, man. Hey, you got me pocket cold. They got it. Put them up from the other side. Look. You twist them up from the other side. What? Hey, I had the same problem with my LS1. Boy, them there. Hey. Y'all better talk to your LS1, right? You take it out. Oh, got a seat. Yeah. Bro, I think it's just twist out, bro. Twist it out, bro. Just try to twist it out. It's cold. Where your tools at? You got out here? Cool. Got a 4.3 motor. How much you want for it? Try. Damn. Hey. Oh, yeah.
This one is that what short bed is. That box.
Y'all do interior too or just?
Nah, I got my homie down the street.
Grill on this bitch.
Oh, that's a Tierra grill?
Yeah, Tierra grill.
Yeah.
My homie down the street, Diego, he does all the interior.
Is it colors?
Colors. There's a big black that's gonna go in there.
454 or 44?
So it's Cutlass Salon.
Oh, yeah. 6'2", man. We out here in the city. We out here in the city. Y'all see it. Hey, what they say? It got that big butt on the end. Got that big butt on the end. That's a real caprice now. Y'all see the trunk on that joint.
Got cats walking
Oh, man. And, hey, this a Monte Carlo too, huh? This a Monte too? I got one of these too. Hey, these joints clean here though, man. Y'all come to the city, get y'all LS swap for real, man. Hey, we get it for real, man. Like, follow, subscribe. Yeah, I'm getting. Hey, I'll do it. You got a flag? Open that trunk. See them things. See them things in there. What? Oh, this is Chevelle, shorty. Man, it's 20 bands just a roller alone. Oh, he got another. Oh, shit! Damn! Damn! Stop, please see the lip on that joint, man. Damn! What's that over there? Yeah, I got the LS and I got the SS. It's a mine's on 5.3 swap too.
Nice. Yeah, we got a frame out.
It's got a 6.2. Y'all do this too, or they came like that?
We sent it out to get
I like the lips, you know, I like the tub. Got those big things right here, boy. What's in this? Like 6.2. Oh, I did. This turbo. Y'all ain't know that though. It's turbo. Man, where we at again? You on the west side of Chicago? Yeah. I'm gonna show us stuff, man. Man, y'all come get y'all LS swaps here, man. Y'all start fucking with, bro. They do the whole thing. They got this a Caprice, two-door Caprice in the air. Everything. Man, y'all come get y'all LS swaps. And I like them donks though. I like them donks though. And they got the 4G wheel to max. Stop, man. Hey, this bitch clean though. I need one of these. If I get one of these, the channel gonna go crazy. Yeah. That dinner is in that mood though. I kept that orange dog clean though.
I'm just acting a fool, man. Just like you said. Hey, let me see. Hold on. Hey, man. I already know what's going on, man. I'm letting y'all know right now. When you see this summer, stay out the way, because I'm acting a fool. I don't care where we at, what we doing.
What's good, LS gang? We back at it, man. I'm in the car. We at. Damn, I forgot where we at. Damn, some chicken. We in out west Chicago, man. I forgot. I just pulled up. But yeah, man. Yo, like, follow, subscribe. Y'all might can't see me, but like, follow, subscribe. Go share the content, man. Go follow our main channel out at Cinco Bros. YouTube channel coming soon. We're doing a lot of more. There'll be more of us doing a lot of more guys, more of a guys channel. But yeah, man, go like, follow, subscribe. A lot of content. Man, I didn't even know we was coming to Chicago today. That's how you know it, man. Anything can happen. Anything can happen with us, man. Just gotta keep following and keep subscribing, man. Only thing way is to go is up. That's the only way to go is up. So man, y'all like, follow, subscribe. All 2021 all we going is up, man. Like I keep saying, we going is up. I'm gonna give y'all more updates on the LS swap with Eddie, the 6'2" with Stan, Batman. We got the Tahoe. We got Black Mamba. That's the 86 Monty LS. I haven't showed y'all, but y'all know. Some of y'all know I got it. But yeah, man, we going crazy. Look, these niggas. All I thought I did with the boys, bringing the food, man. But yeah, man, y'all gonna like, follow, subscribe. And go show love to your boy. We doing all the swaps. We just met a mechanic. I can do swaps for the low interior. I got a plug on the interiors, on the body work, on the frame right now. Now I just gotta bring my car up here. Got an estimate on the LS swap for the Tahoe. Yeah, it's going up all 2021, man. Man, I forgot the shop name for my thing, but from Diego's shop, Diego Stitching. Follow him on Instagram. In Chicago, west side of Chicago. Man, y'all gonna see it. Like, follow, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? 2021. Only way is to go, man. I'm gonna keep saying, only way is to go is up. Shout out Sugarman on that. I shot a lot of people though. CJ32, Gucci Get It Gone. Man, I don't cap. They inspired me to be vlogging, really. Vlogging my cars, vlogging what I do, vlogging the guys what we do. Yeah, man. Gotta do something. Gotta live life to the fullest, man. Gotta go all the way up, man. We gotta go all the way up. Can't never go down, man. Every day you gotta go up, a step farther up. Up, more up. Man, but yeah, man. Y'all like, follow, subscribe. More car content coming soon. Trucks, how you want it. It's winter down here, man. The Tahoe's is finna be out in here spinning in the snow. We got too many trucks around. I'm gonna get all types of footage. Anything can happen. But yeah, man. Y'all like, follow, subscribe, man. Show your boy some love. Like I said, like I'm gonna say it again. 2021, we're going up. Now, actually, we had Church's Chicken. I just know we had Church's Chicken. Man, I ordered the barbecue wings. And they said the mild sauce go crazy up there. I'm gonna try that joint out though. But yeah, man. I'm gonna show love to you, boy. Peace.